So guys, it's Sunday the 10th of October. We've got a nice day, blue sky, so we decided to go for it, make a bid and see if we can get this fruit pressed today. So I'll just walk you around. Anything that's got some bad stuff on, we're just trimming it up. That's a spray cover that goes over the body of the press there. You can see we've got the mesh bag and it's held in place by a thick rubber band to stop it sort of falling in, as it were. We've got our fermenting vessels sanitised, ready to go, and there's the shredder, Vigo. Here's our collecting buckets with the scoops for the pomace, and we've got our hose connected up. As I say, this is a hydropress. It works off just ordinary mains water pressure. So let's get pressing. with the dried pulp.
Switch this back on, yeah.
Yeah. Make sure your bucket's under it.
Just stop filming.
We're just emptying the hydropress so we can get the top off, get the dried pulp out, and then fill it up again for another pressing. That's pretty much how it goes on. So we've been going around 2.5 hours, something like that. I'm just going to spin you around, and what I do is I just keep adding to different buckets to try and sort of blend it around a bit, rather than just one batch into one bucket, as it were. So probably another half hour we should get done. I'll bring you back then and we'll see how much liquid we've got, how much juice. Well, it's the morning after, guys, the 11th of October now, so you can see it was probably quite a good idea to put this tarp down. It's saved most of the patio from getting stained with apple juice. So all we've got to do now is just clean this up and put all the trays and tubs back and everything, swill down, and pretty much done. I'll just show you what we've got. Okay, so that's the juice. Each one of these has 5 gallons, so we've got 5, 10, 15, 20. This one's not quite. There's the 5 gallon mark there. I would say it's kind of like, well, it's more than 4.5. Anyway, so we've got 24.5 or 24 3/4 gallons. So going off this rough assumption of 20 pound of fruit equals 1 gallon of juice, that must be somewhere around 490 pounds of apples we milled and pressed yesterday, just me and my wife. Took us about 3.5 hours. But yeah, happy days. So anyway, they've been sulfited, so as soon as I've finished cleaning up, I'm going to come back and put in some pectolase, and then once that's had a few hours in, we can pitch the yeast. I'll catch you later.